Hi, my name is Sam Green and I'm the pre-owned sales manager here at Toyota Mankato. You've probably seen some Toyota certified used vehicles here on our lot, and I'm here today to tell you how that selection process works and what it takes to get a quality Toyota used vehicle through certification. Toyota has very high standards for used vehicles to qualify for Toyota certification. They all must be under 6 years old and have under 85,000 miles, and they must be thoroughly checked inside and out to assure only the best make it through certification. Once a used vehicle has been selected for Toyota certification, it must pass a rigorous 160-point quality assurance inspection by a Toyota certified trained technician. This inspection guarantees every vehicle passes strict mechanical, detailing, and appearance standards set by Toyota. By the time our Toyota certified used vehicle is fully reconditioned, it'll almost be like new. Many advantages come with buying a Toyota certified used vehicle. You want warranties with your purchase? You got it. Every Toyota certified used vehicle is backed by a 12-month, 12,000-mile limited comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. If your certified Toyota gets a flat tire or requires towing, no need to worry, because you have a full 7 years and up to 100,000 miles worth of roadside assistance. Our Toyota certified used vehicles do qualify for new car financing rates with approved credit. And we know Toyota certified used vehicles provide higher customer satisfaction and higher resale values down the line when you go to trade or sell that Toyota vehicle. Go check out our Toyota certified used vehicle inventory at toyotamankato.com or stop in today and get a closer look for yourself.